Hi, my name is Dr. Brian Muffly, and I'm an orthopedic surgeon here at Emory Orthopaedics Spine Center, specializing in both hip preservation and hip and knee replacement. My inspiration to become an orthopedic surgeon came from my father. In our small town in southeastern Kentucky, I saw how he cared diligently for our community. And after I finished my second fellowship, Emory asked me to come start the hip preservation program. The goal of hip preservation is to improve joint function, reduce pain, and extend the lifespan of the natural hip, especially in young, active patients, by providing both non-surgical and surgical techniques. With this training expertise, I'm able to provide and diagnose a lot of patients who have pre-arthritic hip disease. In orthopedics, we help to save lifestyles, and that motivates me every day to help patients rediscover and get back to the things they love doing. And when it comes to patient care, I understand that each patient is unique in and of themselves. I'm committed to improving the quality of life of my patients. I take the time to listen to their concerns while striving to educate them on all of their treatment options, both non-surgical and surgical. Then we can work together to determine the best steps forward to address their personal goals. When I think about what sets Emory Healthcare apart, I truly believe it's the people. From the nursing staff to the radiology technicians to the anesthesiologists and scrub techs in the operating room, it's the people that go above and beyond to provide and deliver excellent patient care and experience. Being part of an academic health system and a dedicated orthopedic hospital, we have the ability to be on the cutting edge of new procedural developments, to provide relatively rare surgical procedures that are often not able to be performed elsewhere, and to educate the next generation of orthopedic surgeons. When I'm not at work, I love spending time with my family, being outdoors, trying new restaurants, and cheering on my favorite sports teams. In closing, I look forward to meeting you and starting our healthcare journey together at Emory.